Hello guys, welcome to Netball. Guys, आज पनि म हजुरहरु सामु एउटा नयाँ भिडियो लिएर आइसकेको छु। भिडियो के सम्बन्धी होला भनेर हजुरहरुले थम्बनेल हेरेर त थाहा पाइसक्नु भयो होला। हजुर, आज हामी बेस्ट गोल सेलिब्रेसन अफ नेपाली प्लेयरहरुको उत्कृष्ट गोल सेलिब्रेसन हेर्ने छौ। रोनाल्डोको शू देखि लिएर फेमस नी स्लाइड्स देखि लिएर विभिन्न गोल सेलिब्रेसन त हामीले देखिराखेका नै छौ। तर नेपाली प्लेयरहरुको बेस्ट गोल सेलिब्रेसनहरु के छन् कुन छन् हेरौं है त आज। Hope you will like it guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Nepal, best of the best. Some of the famous goal celebration of Nepali football players. What a goal by Nepal. And what a dancing celebration from Ayush Khan. He is dancing. Nice celebration. Whoa, that's so great. Gymnastics over there. And what the fuck is that, man? Wow, one Zan Bista. Wow, he's jumping like a frog. Jump. What? Like Durga Prasad say, ow. And he slammed him. It's football. Oh, busy bugger. He was so busy at his prime time. Low. Oh, spare man, the busy brother. Spare. Why are you so happy, Mr. Bimal Kharji Magar? Whoa. Not you. Wow. What? लो अच्छा मसबा गाइस जति सम्म चाहिँ फन पार्ट थियो हैन। तर अब यो गोल देख सागर थापाको गोल देखिबाट चाहिँ नेपाली दर्शक फुटबल फ्यानहरुको लागि एकदम मन छुने भिडियोहरु हो हैन। जुन चाहिँ नेपालले आफुलाई गर्व गर्न लागेको छ। यो बंगलादेश विरुद्ध गरेको सागर थापाको गोल, अन्तिम समयमा गरेको गोल। सागर थापाले नेपालको लागि के समेत गरेनन्, तर नेपालले सागर थापाको लागि के गरे त? प्रश्न चिन्ह अझै बाँकी नै छ। This was the proudest moment for Nepal, and this one goal also from Jumanu Rai. Look at his celebration, how happy he is. It means a lot. Look at the Nepali darshak over there. Look all the officials on the side. They all are happy. This goal also is one of the proudest moment to make Nepal goal, because that's Bimal Kharji Magar's first goal. And look at his celebration. Not only gents but ladies also. Look, Rekha Paudel goal celebration. What a sight! What a gymnastic by Rekha Paudel. Wow, super lady. And none other than the great player of women history, Samba Savitra Bhandari. This goal celebration, this was the proudest moment for every Nepali football fans and every Nepali. Damn, the cameraman person behind C was shocked. This was the greatest celebration of Nepali football player in the history of Nepal. I think this one should be the #1 celebration. Proud of you, Nepali daughter, proud of you. And guys, none other than look at this man, Almutairi, जो आफू भन्दा पनि बढी आफूले सिकाउन आएको देश एउटा सानो राष्ट्रको लागि गोल गर्दाको यति खुसी छन्। विदेशी मान्छेले यति खुसी छन् नेपालीको गेम देखेर, नेपालीहरु चाहिँ। तर के गर्नु, जति राम्रो मान्छे आए पनि खुट्टा तान्ने यहाँ धेरै छन् र धेरै प्रश्नहरुको जवाफ हामी खोजिरहेका छौं।